Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Rubik's Twist into a dinosaur. So pretty much you start off like this. You take the first two blocks and turn it towards you. And then turn this block to the right like this. Okay, so now turn it like this. And then turn this block twice. So it looks like this. Now turn this block down, like this. Now count 1, 2, 3, and then turn this like down. Now turn this block 2 times. Sorry, here. Okay, so now turn around to this side and turn this block once inwards like that. Now turn this block down towards you. And then, 1 second. Okay, so now turn this block 2 times inwards. Okay, before you do that actually. Yeah, no, turn it 2 times and it won't fit, so just wait. Now turn this block down, and now it should fit. Now it should fit like this, and this won't fit quite right either, so turn this block up. And now everything should fit perfectly. Okay, so now you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, and then, you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, and then turn this like this, and then take the last 2 blocks and turn them down. So now you have a dinosaur. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button right down there, as well as the subscribe button which is right next to it, and goodbye, see you in my next video.